Model, 68-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Combi 9-seater minibus 1.6 CDTI Euro 6 needs turbo Vat Inclusive. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 142295. MOT, the 22nd of September 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS CDTI S. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Engine is great, straightforward turbo replacement job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minibus which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, minibus, parking sensors, sat-nav, air-con, electric windows. Euro status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664.